Still stuck in legacy BI? Disconnected reports, manual effort, limited insights. It's time to move from every BI to Power BI. With Mastek's AI-powered migration framework, transform legacy BI reports, whether from OBIEE, Qlik, Tableau, or any other platform, into Power BI in just a click. Automated, metadata-driven, and built for scale. Accelerate migration. Convert logic into DAX. Reimagine visuals. And empower every user instantly. Turn your data into a competitive advantage. Faster, smarter, future-ready. Mastek, powering your journey from legacy to limitless. Start your Power BI transformation today.